We're live. Monday tips coming at you today. A new week, new tips week. Today, whole week is gonna be a theme as I'm going live on Facebook here, and it's still having an issue. So we're just gonna go with it, and I'll I'll cut the clips where needed to be later. So I'm just gonna go with the flow here. This whole week is all about promotion, marketing, sharing your stuff. You have it done, you have it produced, you have it made, created. Your show's done, ready to go. It's published, up, and now is the time to let people know. We're not on Facebook right now, but I'll get this out later. Stick around. Today is all about search engines on social media, using your social media platforms as a search engine. And I'm going to bring up my share tool here. There we go. This is Instagram on the web. Every day is a gift. Every day. Every birthday is a gift. Every day is a gift. Aretha Franklin bringing you a quote. Every time I go onto social media, I see one of these quotes. If you're interested in how I got newsfeed eradicator, hit me up in the comments, message me DM. I'll gladly show you. It's just a plugin I can show you right now, but we're gonna move right into the search engine tools. Make this quick today on Monday tips. Here we go. So what did I say? Social media as a search engine. So we're gonna go right here in search. Okay. We're going to clear all here. We're going to start fresh and we're going to search your town. Let's just pick a town. Let's see. Belmore. I'm from Belmore. Let's just go to Belmore. Social media for Belmore. So we're going to Belmore. Searching Belmore. Here we go. Now, when you do a search like this, you'll be coming up with posts that are coming from supposedly, I didn't say specify Belmore, New York, but Belmore, Merrick. This looks like it here. Belmore, Merrick, Wantor. Get my New York accent going here. Wantor, Long Island, Eats Foodies of Instagram, all stuff like that. We're gonna give this a like, and I'm just gonna come over here and comment. This looks good. Put a little emoji there. And I also want the yum emoji. So I'm going to search for, you can't see me searching for that, but it's going to come up in a minute. However you get your search for your emojis, that's what I'm doing right now. There it is. And I'm ready to post that comment to this post. Now, I searched for Belmore. I got a Belmore post. I got a whole bunch of Belmore posts. So here we go. Country EDM brunch. So here's more food stuff in Belmore, and reservations recommended at Avenue Social Kitchen. Gonna give that a like, and then say I'm just gonna put. You can also use this as well, and that I can just post that and then post that comment. So now I'm going up in Belmore, essentially. So here's your tips. This is all about using social media, Instagram, as a search tool. So the search function on social media, how you can get in front of your local audience. Here's a sports post. This has to do with Mepham High School. Mepham. Anyone familiar with Mepham over there? And I didn't go there, but I know a lot of people who did. Because I'm from the New York area, Brooklyn, Belmore area, small town Belmore. Shout out Belmore again. And I'm going to give this a like. Sports schedule week, and then it's a slider, it's a carousel volleyball, soccer. So it's high school sports in Belmore. I have a lot of high school sports of Belmore. Let's go. And then put a little emoji there, fire emoji, post that. So, I'm the only comment there. Like, I'm familiar with more Texas high school sports, but this is Belmore. I'm actually from there a little bit, so I can relate to Belmore high school sports. We're gonna move on, and then here's a picture of a house. What? One more. Let's do a few more. Congratulations to. And FYI, some of these tips are going to be showing up all this week. So if you didn't see it today, you'll likely get this again. Like we have a whole theme of promotion and promoting your podcast all week long. Yeah, I'm going to go over this repeatedly, and there's going to be hint bonus stuff going on. So there's bonus tips, there's repeat stuff. Like I'm gonna do as I say and say as I do for the most part. So under construction, there's this house here, Belmore again. So I'm gonna leave that one alone actually. So here, this looks good. So my first reaction to that live in person is this looks good. So I'm gonna say that exactly. Some people come up with some really great sandwiches: prosciutto ham, cappy, pepperoni, salami, garlic bread, Swiss, American, topped in bacon, chipotle, mayo. Whoever My Hero Deli is. Oh yeah, that's from them. So I'm gonna comment. This looks good. This looks good with a North Belmore. Yeah, and so let's give it a like, and then say this looks good! Exclamation. Go into our emojis, and I'm just gonna put a heart in that one. Post this, boom. So this is how you get in front of audiences and local markets on social media. This is how you actually connect, engage, be seen, get seen. This is how you get seen. And for more tips, I'm gonna. Should I do a few more before I stop? Let's see here. Got Halloween. Got donuts. So let's donuts in Brooklyn. They have a bunch of comments. A lot of people like to comment on donuts. Halloween tacos. Tacos are a good thing too. So not as many going on here. Brunch for tacos for brunch. And then I'm just gonna say love tacos. And then heart emoji. Done there. Boom. So I'm showing up in Belmore, Long Island, Belmore, New York, on the Long Island of New York. So there's housing, there's real estate, there's there. See if that looks familiar to me at all. What street is this? Broadway? Belmore, Broadway? No. Broadway Street, Belmore. Looks like Broadway Avenue and Belmore Avenue and Broadway. A little confusing. It does look familiar. Like I said, I've lived there before. Fun street fair in Belmore. And then put an emoji in there. Let's celebrate. Post. And then one more. And then I'll end it with one more post that some got a fire put out here. Let's stay away from that one. One more. Kosher Deli. That looks familiar, like I've been there before. All right, one more. So this is it. This is Skull Halloween cookies, scary posts, some more sports, high school sports. Let's trying to find one more, and then I'll. Here we go. What? That's putting out a fire. Let's go a bar. So here, a drink. Twisted Fork Brunch Company. Apple cider mimosa with a caramel and cinnamon sugar rim. Looks good. Can't wait to try. And then emoji. Boom, boom, boom. Try a little different emoji there. And then there you go. And that's how you engage in your local market. You search for your town. I did a search for Belmore, and then I interacted and engaged with posts that came up in that search for Belmore. For more tips this week and daily, Monday through Friday, check me out on this channel now as I go live on YouTube and LinkedIn, and catch me in another Tips Tuesday tomorrow. All about, what's the next one all about on Tuesday is, we're going to go over this again in Searching Your Town. See you then.